Participants, if you have any questions, you may unmute yourself and ask.
Please put it into the chat box, okay? I would like to read the questions in the chat box. It's much easier than me, because if you have a couple of you unmute saying this at the same time, it's difficult for me to hear. Okay, I welcome the questions in the chat box. Okay, I got a. What is the important citation in university ranking? Though this is simply only part of it. Well, because the citation is an individual's performance, so it all depends on the ranking, depending on the different criteria. Some of these are looking at the individual faculty members, and also they're also looking in terms of the students' work or the publication work with the international connections. Okay. Any other questions? No question is good question.
Any other questions from participants?
Okay, no question, good question. Thank you so much.
Sir, thanks a lot. Thank you for giving us this wonderful talk. It was a very balanced talk, and the way you spoke from your experiences as a researcher, as a guide, as a mentor, as a member of the committee, it was very enlightening to hear all sides of the discussion. And I'm sorry for the delay today. And I would also like to thank our participants for their focus and for being a part of this. I would like to thank the management of ITM Baroda University who are organizing this wonderful series of webinars over 5 days. And thank you so much, sir. Thank you for joining us. And I hope we can have this sessions like this again soon. Thank you, Professor Fung. And if there are no more questions, we would like to wrap up now.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. And I believe you've got a few more sessions to go today. It's a long day for you all.
Thank you.
Okay,
thank you so much, sir. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so
sir.
much. Bye-bye. Take care, sir.